Holla back at this nigga, I'm turning up with some bitches. You talking about that cash flow while you at home doing dishes. I'm cooking dope in the kitchen, yo bitch on my dick and she stripping. Honestly, I'm proud to be the man that I have planned to be. Thinking about my destiny, where the future's taking me. Living life for the hell of it. Got stacks cause I'm hella rich and I learned how to live celibate. And I don't fuck a bitch unless she hella thick and got a fat ass like a Cadillac. And if that ass is fat like a Cadillac, then I'ma take her home and I'ma handle that on God. Flipping the dope and I'm getting the paper. Free all my niggas and free my brother, yeah, locked in the pen from hitting the licks. Cops, yeah, they caught him from charges from Prince. Ain't getting out, 5 in the bitch. Middle finger to the cops from swerving the whip. Woo! Mob Squad.